Question in front of us is check whether the relation R in R defined by R is equal to A comma B, where A is less than or equal to B cube, is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. So here R is set of real numbers. Therefore both A and B are real numbers. First of all, let us check whether R is reflexive or not. So if the relation is reflexive, then A comma A belongs to R. That is, A must be less than or equal to A cube. So let us check. So now let us take A is equal to 1. So A cube will be 1 cube, which is equal to 1. So here we have to check whether A is less than or equal to A cube. So this is true, yes. Now we will take A is equal to 3. So A cube, that means 3 cube is 9. So whether A is less than or equal to A cube means 3 is less than or equal to 9. Therefore this is also correct. Now we will take A as 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 cube will be 1 by 8. So here A is not less than or equal to A cube. So this is not true. We will take one more example. Let A is equal to 1 by 3. 1 by 3 cube, which is equal to 1 by 27. Here also this is not true, so no. Hence A is less than or equal to A cube is not true for all values of A. So the given relation is not reflexive. Now let us check whether relation R is symmetric or not. So for symmetric, if A comma B belongs to R, then B comma A must belong to R. That is, if A is less than or equal to B cube, then B must be also less than or equal to A cube. So let us check. Let us take A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3. Therefore A cube will be 2 cube, which is equal to 8. B will be equal to 3 cube, which is equal to 27. So we have to check whether A is less than or equal to B cube. So yes, this is true. And here we have to check B is less than or equal to A cube. So this is also correct. Now we will take A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 4. A cube, that will be equal to 8, and B cube, which is equal to 4 cube, which is equal to 64. This is also correct, and this is also correct. Now we will take A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 9. So A cube is 8 and B cube will be 9 cube, which is equal to 729. A is less than or equal to B cube. So this is correct, but B is less than or equal to A cube. This is not correct. So this is no. Since B is less than or equal to A cube is not true for all values of A and B. Hence, the given relation is not symmetric. Now let us check whether R is transitive or not. So if R is transitive, then AB belongs to R, BC belongs to R, then AC must belongs to R. That means A is less than or equal to B cube, B is less than or equal to C cube, then A must be less than or equal to C cube. So now let us check. We will take A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2 and C is equal to 3. Therefore B cube will be 2 cube which is equal to 8. C cube will be 3 cube which is equal to 27. Now we have to check whether A is less than or equal to B cube. A is 2 which is less than 8. This is correct. Is B is less than or equal to C cube? B is 2 which is less than 27. Therefore this is also correct. And is A is less than or equal to C cube? A 1 which is less than 27. This is also correct. Now we will take A is equal to 3, B is equal to 3 by 2 and C is equal to 4 by 2. Now therefore B cube will be 3 by 2 whole cube which is equal to 3.375. C cube 4 by 3 the whole cube which is equal to 2.37. Is A is less than B cube? Yes. Now is B is less than C cube? Yes. But now is A is less than C cube? No. Because A is 3 and C cube is 2.37 which is not less. Since A less than or equal to B cube, B less than or equal to C cube, A less than or equal to C cube is not true for all values, hence all values of ABC, therefore the given relation is not transitive. Therefore the given relation is neither reflexive, symmetric or transitive.